Hi everyone, Professor Gustin here, and we're in week 10, Physical and Chemical Control of Microorganisms. As you get started, you're watching the video, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is watch this lab practical video. I found in the past that lab practicals are challenging. I think it's sometimes students aren't clear on how much detail I want them to know and all. So I tried to help out this time by just giving you a little preview, going through the handouts and making sure that you're noticing some of the things that I want you to know. So definitely watch that before or as you're in the process of studying for the lab practical. I would do the lab practical next. It's worth 50 points. And then once you're finished with that, then do the lecture study guide, because this information is not on the lab practical. So do the lab practical first. Here we have the lecture study guides on physical and chemical control of microorganisms. And there's a lot of material in this. And I think if you don't study, you don't organize your mind, it can all kind of jumble together. So this is one of those topics that you definitely need to review and think about why is UV light different than using pasteurization for microbial control. You need to really look at each one of those. What are they and what's their main function? So work on that, your lecture study guide. And there's a bunch of videos, and then there's a lecture assignment. We don't have any lab assignment beyond the lab practical. So there's a lot to think about this week, a lot of studying to do, but at least you don't have a whole nother lab on top of that. So good luck. Good luck this week, and take care, and please reach out if there's anything I can do to help.